All right, back again. We got Blackbirds versus Lotus New School now. Where are we starting? We're starting on this end? All right. Like I said, we got out there once. We got the feel of the land. See what happens. All right, let's watch.
When I did look over there and saw anybody, well, I saw the Dorito guy. Yeah. Because he kept poking his head.
Well, even if you don't have a shot over here, you see the other guy, just tell the other guy, okay? But you see that. There's always
starting to rain.
Especially when you get to the tower's hard, but everybody was shooting.
There's nobody to see.
Right. You still want to stay gun focused over there. Because they could run with a better team. That's what's very tough, is to rely on everything to keep your guy under control before he stabs you in the back. You're essentially one of the guys relying on your team.
Jesus. All right. So we're moving up. We got Jake on the right. Kane's got to get his head down. Jake moving up on the Doritos.
Anybody know Black's up?
I think they're up.
I heard Keith say there's a guy back left, and I was trying to get you to cross up so hard because I kept having Keith.
All right, kind of getting down, getting low.
Especially when east side's moving up.
Basically, what you would be trained on.
Looks like they're coming up the snake side. Lost Jake. I don't think Jake's out. I don't know where Jake went. All right, Kenny on the move.
Yeah.
All right, I lost Ken.
Okay. You want to shoot?
Oh, shit, yeah. There he goes. Ken with the flag. Ken's going up. Ken looks like he's hanging it.
Watch the guys move.
Got it?
Even if you don't see anybody, just keep your gun there.
All right, he's checking them for paint.
Got nothing, but keep a gun on that side of the entire track.
All right, we're on the board. We got 3. That's cool. So, like I said, they got out there. They saw the lay of the land. They adjusted, and that's what it's all about.